A very big ranking factor is if your video gets embedded into very large sites and other third-party sites. This can be your blog, other blogs, or other sites that I'm going to show you. So I'm going to walk you through in this video a few major sites that are typically like forums and Q&A where you can freely post your videos. And around like 2011, 12, 13, that time, it was like I would post like literally one link on Quora, which is this site Quora, and over like in 24 hours, I would have my video shoot up in the rankings. Now it's not that immediate, it's harder, but this is still a very strong ranking factor, and I'll show you how to do this. So you go to Quora, you make an account, and whatever your video is, let's say it's like business loans or how to get a business loan or whatever it is, or how to do SEO. You find questions that people are asking and you answer that. So for example, I will just click on any question. So what are some subtleties in advertising that people miss? And what you'll see is that there are some photos embedded, and there are at times videos embedded as well. And you can freely embed your video. For example, if I attempt to answer this question, I'll say answer. It's going to give me a little box to answer, and I'm going to pull up a YouTube link and I'm going to paste it right in here, and you see it's going to embed the video here. And of course you want to make sure that the video is a good video that actually answers the question. So don't just spam this, but make sure that the video you post works. So only find questions that are answered by your videos. If there aren't questions, and I'm sure there are because this site has been around for many years. It's a very popular site. There's many questions. You can find multiple questions on your topics. But if you don't find the question, you can make a second account, let's say from your phone with different email, and ask those questions, and then come in and then answer those questions with your main account, and then post your video, and then you would post an actual answer as well, a text answer. And make sure that your text answer is very insightful so that the overall answer does not seem promotional but seems helpful. You want to be helpful. As long as you are helpful here, you can post links to your site and you can embed your videos, and it's going to help you rank. To show you how effective this is, look at my notifications for this week. I just logged in. I haven't been answering for a long time. I logged in just really to record this video, and boom, answers you wrote were viewed 653 times this week. That means people are like legitimately watching my videos. Now, maybe they're not all playing my videos, but certainly there's a lot of life here. And I've been answering questions for years now. So it's questions that I answered years ago are still getting some views. And not only is it going to help you directly rank higher with SEO from the embedding, but the extra views will also be a ranking factor for you, not to mention extra branding, extra potential clients. Now, to rank higher in Quora, the main issue is that a lot of people answer one question. To rank higher, you need upvotes on your answers. So if I click on another question, you see how like this question has 100 answers. You don't want to answer very crowded questions because your answer will just get buried in there. But what you want to do is find ones with less activity, and to rank higher, to make sure that your answer is higher, you want a lot of upvotes, which you can ask your friends or colleagues. Now, this person has 1,600 upvotes, 1.6K, so it's too competitive. But if you keep answering questions, and if your account gets promoted more and it gets voted up, your answers will be weighted for more, and you'll be able to outrank other people answering who maybe have more upvotes, but like they're not as authoritative in their account. So that's Quora. And it's something you can do for free today. In fact, every time you launch a video, I would recommend asking some questions on Quora and answering them yourself, and answering existing questions on Quora as well. You don't want to go more than 5 because I think their algorithm will like start detecting that like, hey, you're posting the same video. But gently, in the first launch, you post a couple of answers. A week later, you post a couple of answers. A week later, you post a couple of answers to different questions, and so on, and keep doing this consistently, and you will see a bump in the rankings. Now, another similar site like Quora is something called Yahoo Answers. This used to be extremely popular. I think most people think that this is a dead website, but it's actually still alive and kicking. And you can answer questions, the same thing. And if you want to rank a video, this is a super authoritative site. So you can post links, you can post videos. It's going to help you rank a little higher. I actually used to do this a lot, and it used to help me rank a lot. So that's another forum that's very publicly available for you. And if you do content around online business, online marketing, there's another forum that's called Best Black Hat Forum. It's popular. Don't get scared by the name. It's not so bad, but you basically just make an account here and you find the categories and the questions that address the kinds of content that you cover. And let's say that you don't do this topic. Let's say you do something about cooking. Well, all you really have to do is look on Google for like cooking forums. So there you go. I searched for a cooking forum. I got this garden web. I don't know what it is, but you see, you can answer things and you can interact and post here. So just make a list of places where you can comment and post your videos. Every time you launch a video, you can post here. And every time you think, oh, this video needs a bump in rankings, keep posting, keep answering. And doing this will give you a big leg up on your competition because really very, very few people are doing this, and it's actually really effective.